Here is my new 85 pound, actually it's 87 and a quarter pound, Holland Alloys Anvil, cast from solid H13 tool steel. It's not a two-piece design, it's all one big chunk of H13 tool steel. It has a 4-inch by 12-inch workspace, flat top, and it looks like about, I think it's a 3/4 inch hardy hole and a pritchett hole. And I want to try the to show you the rebound. Definitely has rebound and good sound to it. I haven't got to use it yet. I still have to mount it, but very happy already. Holland Alloys, Holland, Michigan. Homegrown anvil.